According to the World Intellectual Property Organization, WIPO, intellectual property, also known as IP, refers to creations of the mind, such as inventions, literary and artistic works, and symbols, names, and images used in commerce. IP is protected in law by, for example, patents, copyrights, and trademarks, which enable people and companies to earn recognition or financial benefit from what they invent or create. The word property is usually linked to an object or tangible item. A house, for example. A property can be bought, sold, rented, or even stolen. It has a market value. The value of a property, such as a house, depends on several factors: the location, the construction quality, among other factors. This is more or less intuitive. But what about intellectual property? It's more difficult to be evaluated, having more intangible aspects related to it. But generally, the more valued ones are the innovative and the ones with broad use. As a house, the intellectual property can be bought, sold, rented, use rights, and stolen. It's easier to protect a house than an intellectual property. In a house, one can put locks with keys, protect doors and windows, put an alarm. The intellectual property is more fluid, difficult to control. Someone can copy an idea of someone else without giving them the proper credit. Knowledge has value. Data have value. Information has value. Nowadays, much more than in the past, and certainly in the future, the knowledge will have even more value. The companies with higher market value are not the traditional ones today, but technology companies, the ones who make possible our information era, companies that innovate. Our next video will be the last one of our knowledge management course, and we'll talk about what comes next. Until then,